Make affiliations. You have to create a number of things and planning for there. So there is something you have to make partnership and affiliation with the number of bodies. Like if you have a pharmacy industry, medical industry, you have to keep invite them and keep affiliate with the number of bodies like to have in your panel. And something in media or social media, you can have partner with a number of groups and pages to advertise your pages and have partnership for value adding in this conference, and that will be more impact because your brand will be associated with another brands. So it's a collaboration and affiliation that can be a partnership for growth and long-term relationship. You can have some educational background of industry or conference. You can have a number of students or number of university to have conferences. So you can be ambassadors announced for that, and number of affiliation programs can be connecting and interlink with the number of people. If you have something management like office or something travel, or depend on their nature of niche in the category, which conference you are going to announce and cost for their purpose. So clarify and accordingly relevant media partners and something online, and everybody are coming towards online things there, because nowadays every media have their own social media channels too. So they broadcast on your social medias and promote your publicities before, after, and meanwhile they have also, you can affiliate and give rights to they can also publish in your conferences on their channels. Whatever you like to be privileged, you have to more powerful connection that you can be connecting with online conference as TV channel connect as a social media. It depends how much powerful, because it is the knowledge that you are giving to the people or public. It can be something valuable. That value is more benefit and featured. You have to clarify the things. You do not have to have something new or multiply the things there, because whenever you have to decide it for online conferences, it will be automatically have software like Zoom allows to your recording, and you can resell your recordings or you can reshare for a management purpose for learning and using different clips on your seminars. So it is a very advantage. You can make affiliations and giving them values for the long lasting and long term. So let's move to the next video and learn what we need as a tool for this conference.